Hi everybody. Hey, one of the top features of this J-Flight Bungalow is the fact that it has its own central vacuum system. This is conveniently placed right here underneath this drawer in the steps. You have a Dirt Devil central vac system. It's going to come standard in all the J-Flight Bungalows. It has the hose attachments, the 30-foot hose as well, so you can sweep, vacuum your entire linoleum floor. It's standard in all J-Flight Bungalows. Hey, for more information, you can visit us at jayco.com or check out our videos on YouTube.